I was watching a viral video the other day and they said that in Brazil over 1.5 million combis were produced. Could that really be true? And if it is true, how many of those buses are still on the road today? Today we're in the center of a Brazilian city. We're downtown and we're gonna see how many combis we can see in half an hour. Alberto's gonna go one way, I'm gonna go the other way. We're gonna meet at the statue in half an hour and see who has seen more Volkswagen buses. We're gonna see how many buses we can find. So far I've seen 0. But man, we're right downtown, so we're gonna see what we see.
Eu tenho que achar o maior número de Kombi possível. Aí todas as Kombis que eu ver pela rua, eu vou filmar e registrar.
I've been walking down the center street and like the place that I was gonna go and look for them because it's like a busy part of the city is all under construction right. Literally parked in this one place to like that I thought would be good to start, and now we're in a construction zone and there's nothing, man.
Eu acho que eu achei uma Kombi, hein? Essa é a minha primeira. Pronto, destravei. Agora que eu achei a primeira, vou achar várias. Só precisava achar a primeira. Parabéns, Kombi!
Alright, so the problem is that the main street is like over here and there's like this big trench in the middle. I can't get over there. I gotta get across here to go to the main street to see where the buses are, man. Alright, I found a way here. We're going across the little trench area.
Ali, mais uma. Eba! Tá aqui outra.
So I finally made it to the main street. Now we're gonna see if we can see some here, man.
Eu acho que você vai perder, hein? Porque eu fiz dobradinha. Eu acabei de achar mais uma, hein? Logo em seguida da outra. Olha lá, ó.
So we are 15 minutes into the half an hour and I have seen 0, dude. I put on cinematic mode because I'm getting desperate. 0 buses. And oh, I see one in the distance there, the market, dude. I'm gonna go check. Right there, that's one. One Kombi right there, way in the distance.
Ah, assim não dá, Daniel. Tá muito fácil pra mim. Mais uma dobradinha, cara. Então, a estratégia que eu tô usando aqui é indo nas avenidas contramão, que aí consecutivamente vem muito mais carros na minha direção. E aí eu tenho mais chance de ver Kombi.
Alright, so I did a loop of downtown area and man, I saw just one Kombi. I think we got like 10 minutes left, man. I can't believe it because on the way here when we were driving, dude, I saw like 5 different ones. One after the other. I was like, wow, we're gonna see so many in this video.
Ah, Daniel, vou ter que filmar esse 147 porque tá uma belezinha, olha isso. Anda, anda, anda. Cadê as Kombis?
I walked so far now that I'm far from the statue where we're gonna end the competition at. Super far. So I think I might have to run to actually make it back there in time.
Faltam somente 10 minutos pra gente chegar no local combinado e eu preciso achar mais Kombis. Opa! Mais uma, hein? Aí, ó, mais uma. Coloca na conta.
Alright, so we're still at 1, but let's take a moment to pause and appreciate the beautiful view right here, man. Super nice. Look at that. Still no buses.
É isso aí, faltam somente 5 minutos. Eu tô indo já pro lugar. Porém, eu escolhi uma avenida muito movimentada agora pra ir contramão. Se liga na avenida. Muito movimentada. Aí agora eu preciso achar a Kombi.
And I'm sure that Alberto saw more than just one. Because like, dude, I saw one. I'm sure that he saw more than just one. We're gonna see. There. I see one. There. That's 2.
Mais uma, hein, Daniel? Coloca na conta aí.
Alright, 2 buses. We got like just a couple minutes left. We're gonna see if we can see any more. I'm gonna head into this little inner city area right here. One more right here. We got one more, so that's 3. We're on 3 now. Not bad. The construction sites, they always got them there, man.
Preciso acelerar o passo, senão eu vou chegar depois das 4 horas. Eu acho que eu encontrei mais uma, hein? Fica olhando. Mais uma, hein? Provavelmente você já deve ter visto essa, que a gente tá tão perto. Mas coloca na conta.
Alright, so we managed to get 3. I'm right by the statue now. I'm gonna have to run a little bit together, but we're almost there. Maybe we'll see one more when we cross the street right here, who knows?
Reta final. Já tô chegando aqui na estátua onde que a gente combinou.
I got the statue here. This is the statue. Got a guy magnificently holding something. He didn't show up yet, so I'm just gonna keep counting buses, dude. I didn't see any though. But if I see one, I'm gonna count it. I see him now. I see him coming in here. Look, he's showing up. There he is. I'm sure that he saw more. I don't know. I saw 3. I thought it was pretty good, but
Eu vi 7.
7?
7
Caramba. You saw 7 combis, dude. 7. Me, 3.
Tive sorte, 2 vezes foi dobradinha. Tinha 2 paradas juntas. 2 vezes seguidas.
So he saw 2 side by side twice. Aí, ganhou. As you guys saw, there are still tons of buses on the road today. We saw 10 between us in half an hour. And if you guys are interested in seeing us saving some of those buses, ones that have been left aside and forgotten, you can check out this video right here where we saved 4 Volkswagen buses in the same day. So check that one out. It was a real adventure, a lot of fun, and stay tuned for more content soon.